It's the first official voice from the BJP that supports Lal Krishna Advani as Prime Minister. This is Uma Bharti, who said in the Jan Chetna Yatra in Varanasi that Advani's Yatra would bring an end to the UPA rule and pave the way for the government as Advani as PM.
उनकी जो जन चेतना यात्रा है, ये भारत की राजनीतिक स्थितियों में परिवर्तन लावे, क्योंकि जो वर्तमान स्थितियां हैं, उनको चुनौती देने में आडवाणी जी ही सक्षम है। भ्रष्टाचार के खिलाफ एक बहुत बड़ी चुनौती है और ये वो धरती है काशी विश्वनाथ की नगरी की कि यहाँ से जब कोई भ्रष्टाचार को चुनौती देने के लिए निकलता है तो वो उस सरकार का तो सफाया करता ही है, वो प्रधानमंत्री के पद के ऊपर भी आसीन होता है। और मैं किसी नई चर्चा को शुरू करने के लिए बात नहीं कह रही हूँ, लेकिन ऐसा घटा है, ये यहाँ का इतिहास है कि विश्वनाथ प्रताप सिंह जब बोफोर्स के बारे में हुए भ्रष्टाचार को चुनौती देने के लिए बाबा विश्वनाथ की नगरी में आशीर्वाद देने के लिए यहाँ आए थे और यहीं से उनके राजनीतिक जीवन के दूसरे चरण की यात्रा प्रारंभ हुई थी। लेकिन मैं आडवाणी जी को ये भी याद दिला दूं कि आडवाणी जी तो उन लोगों में से हैं और आपको भी याद दिला दूं जो कभी अपने लिए कोई आकांक्षा नहीं रखते।
Strong statement there coming from Uma Bharti and received with loud cheers from the crowd. Navika, we've been talking whether this is LK Advani, this Jan Chetna Yatra is Advani positioning himself for the polls and for the post of the Prime Minister, and that gets an official voice for the first time from the BJP.
That's right. Uma Bharti, of course, supporting LK Advani's candidature as Prime Minister. But then Uma Bharti has always treated LK Advani as her mentor. In fact, it was LK Advani and his efforts that made it possible for Uma Bharti to make a comeback into the party. She had been suspended from the party and had started her own political outfit. And clearly her support for Advani is not something that is unknown to the insiders in the BJP. And now coming out in public, it's clearly Thanksgiving time as far as Uma Bharti is concerned, supporting the candidature of LK Advani as the BJP's prime ministerial candidate. But clearly, talking about the prime ministerial candidate in 2011 is something that the BJP doesn't take very seriously at this moment, because there are several decision makers as far as the BJP's prime ministerial candidate is concerned. The RSS, the BJP, the NDA partners, all of them will have a say on who will be the BJP's prime ministerial candidate. So support of Uma Bharti, notwithstanding, this issue is far from over. But clearly, this is Uma Bharti's Thanksgiving to her mentor and supporter, LK Advani.